Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description. Let's dive into the essential steps for diagnosing and repairing your Dyson HS05 vacuum. First, ensure you have the right tools at hand. You will need a Phillips screwdriver, a flathead screwdriver, and a small brush for cleaning. If you don't have these tools, remember we offer pickup and delivery at your home, making it easy to get your vacuum serviced without any hassle. Begin by unplugging your Dyson HS05 to ensure safety. Next, carefully remove the dust canister by pressing the release button. Inspect for any blockages or debris that might affect performance. Often, a simple cleaning can enhance suction power significantly. Use your small brush to clean the filter and the canister. Once you've cleaned the canister, turn your attention to the main body of the vacuum. There are several screws at the base that you will need to remove using your Phillips screwdriver. Keep these screws organized, as you'll need them for reassembly later. If you encounter any stubborn screws, a little lubrication can help ease the process. After removing the screws, gently lift the cover to access the internal components. This is crucial for identifying any potential issues. Check the motor and the wiring for any signs of wear or damage. If you notice anything concerning, it may be best to consult a professional. Remember, we provide a professional diagnosis without obligation, which can save you time and ensure your vacuum is repaired correctly. As you continue, pay attention to the brush bar. Hair and debris can accumulate here, affecting the vacuum's performance. Remove the brush bar by unscrewing the retaining screws, then clean it thoroughly. This maintenance can often resolve suction issues without further intervention. Now, let's address the HEPA filter. Cleaning it is essential, but make sure to follow the manufacturer's guidelines. You can wash it with cold water and let it air dry completely before reinserting it. If the filter is damaged, consider replacing it to maintain optimal performance. Reassemble your Dyson HS05 by reversing the disassembly steps. Make sure all screws are tightened securely, and the cover fits snugly. Once reassembled, plug in your vacuum and test it. If it still isn't performing as expected, it might be time to get a quote before repair. Our service offers no calls, no travel, making it easy for you to get the help you need. In conclusion, regular maintenance can extend the life of your Dyson HS05. However, if you encounter persistent issues, don't hesitate to reach out for professional help. Whether you choose to tackle the repairs yourself or utilize our expert services, ensuring your vacuum is in top condition is key to maintaining a clean home. Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description.